This morning we'll watch a couple of different trucks demonstrate. We'll have some great barbecue for lunch out on the airfield. It's the best in Stewart.
We came here to see the thermal hog. I saw it at ATSA and they were talking about the burner, the fast time, the startup time and everything. And as a business owner, I went to see for myself.
You're actually seeing it work out here. Trade show, it's just, parked and really you don't see nothing operate on the track.
Hands-on demonstrations is much better than seeing a truck parked inside of a building.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Does anybody have any questions about the vacuum system?
It did what it said they would. It started up in an hour instead of the 2.5 hours that we usually do it in.
And then the shutdown time where you don't have to wait for it to cool off is pretty interesting.